Is this thing actually legit? Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we will see this thing. This is the TVS Gold Keyboard and it has Cherry MX Blues for $30. Let's jump in. So seeing the box, it's by TVS Electronics and has some fancy coloring above. And if you look below the box, we will see the gold logo right there and the TVS logo right there. And on this side, it says it has the USB type interface. And if we see on the other side, we can see that it's for about 2,200 rupees, but we can get it for only $30 on Amazon. So let's open this bad boy up. Links in the description. The box was open, never mind. Let's see what's inside the box. So here we have the box open. We got a business reply card / warranty card right here.
Come on and play, nigga.
And here we got the keyboard. But we don't get anything else, especially a key puller, which is essential for mechanical keyboards. So let's take this out and see what it is. So here's the keyboard, and first let's look at the cable. So it's a rather small 4-feet cable, and it's not graded, but we can complain at this price point. So at this point, finally I will use my knife. So here's the final guy, and it's really huge. If you take a look closely, you'll see that it has a number pad at this price point. It has a TVS logo on the top left corner and a handy pen keeper above it. It is a full 104 key layout, and the back is very good. It has 3 way risers on both sides, which is really good. You can set them up to 3 different heights. But the point is the thickness. This keyboard is very thick, especially when you get on the razors. Look at this. It goes for about 2.4 inches, which is crazy. The keyboard has super sturdy plastics and is very durable, barely flexible, and has a very heavy weight though. As you can see, it barely flexes over and is very heavy compared to other keyboards. The switches blow my mind, as there is a Cherry logo you can see here, and this thing is only available on this type of original Cherry blue switches. Putting on the keycaps back was really easy. Okay guys, I will try my best. Okay, I've beaten my record, and this is a cheesy keyboard. So there are a few things I don't like. There are no dedicated volume buttons like this keyboard of previous which I had. Hence, I use the software to bind my scroll lock and pause key as volume rockers. Make sure to comment down below if you want to see how I did that. And the second problem is the size. Look at this keyboard I had before and check this. This is a gorilla of the keyboards. So here it is. So that was the video. Links are in the description for you. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And as always,